Hello everyone, this is Sarthak Thukral. Our group chose two states, Jammu Kashmir and Punjab. Kashmiris and Punjabis make different types of beautiful handicraft products. So let's dive into them. First, the peacock. It is a mural painting or pahadi painting done in Jammu. It is applied directly on the walls of temples. The Latin word murus means wall. Mural painting in textile is done usually high quality acrylic paints and block printing. Pahadi painting is the name given to Rajput paintings made in Jammu and Kashmir. This art flourished in the Dongra region with introduction of mural and miniature paintings. Special attention was paid towards the preparation of colors which were mostly extracted from the vegetable world and the minerals. The painting employ bright colors and flat backgrounds. Second, Kashmiri embroidery. Kashmir is well known for its beautiful embroidery, also known as Kashida Kari. Hand embroidered shawls from Kashmir are world famous. Enriched with multiple colored thick threads, the designs portray images of flowers, birds, and various types of leaves. The colors used for the thread work are mostly silver, golden, yellow, green, and red. Different types of sketches are used for Kashida Kari. In my embroidery, I used the skin sketch, chain sketch, satin sketch, and fishbone sketch. The artists of Kashmir deserve appreciation for their superb ability in presenting the graceful and fashionable style of artwork. Third, block painting. Block painting is known to have been used in India since at least the 12th century. In Jammu and Kashmir, it is done so on hand woven cloth using wooden blocks and vegetable colors. I attempted it since I had never done it before, so I used a rough cardboard and then on the ivory sheet.
Fulkari stitch, you need a ring, a thread. But due to the pandemic, I was not able to find any thick thread, so I used wool. You also need a cloth piece. Make a grid using a pencil on the cloth piece and start tracing it by stitching it. Our stitch is now ready.
Fulkari refers to the folk embroidery of Punjab. Although Fulkari means floral work, the designs include not only flowers but also covers geometrical designs. The main characteristic of Fulkari embroidery are use of dance stitch on the wrong side of coarse cotton cloth with colored silken thread. Punjabi women create innumerable alluring and interesting designs and patterns by the skillful manipulation of the dance stitch. The traditional varieties of Fulkaris are large items of cloth and include jog, tilpat, nilak and bag. Sometimes the bag is given separate categorization of its own as other varieties of Fulkaris. Parts of the cloth are visible, whereas in bag the embroidery covers entire garment so that the base cloth is not visible.
The land of Kashmir shows its beautiful essence in the form of Kashida embroidery into the fashion world way back in the Mughal period, which was patronized by the emperors and the royals of that era. However, if you go further up along the path of historical archives of fashion, it can be found that this embroidery was also creatively initiated by the residents of Srinagar. Fine needlework and quality was webbed into the finest maze of creativity and innovation using a wide spread of colors and patterns, which intertwines the mood and spirit of the craftsman with the essence of the pure nature. And that too through the traditional form of embroidery, which involves the role of one or two styles of embroidery stitching. Known to be one of the most ancient and traditional type of art, Kashida embroidery, also spelled Kasida, defines its cultural essence through the medium of bead and threadwork, which has gained maximum popularity, fame and recognition in the ethnic lands of Jammu and Kashmir. The purest essence and forms of nature like birds, leaves and trees and many such natural motifs are replaced in embroidery with multicolored threads and beads woven into the fabrics like shawls and saris.